My name's Scott McKee and I am a master bespoke shoemaker and I am now the factory manager here at Trickers. Trickers is a premium specialist shoemaking business known worldwide for the manufacture of the highest quality footwear and continues to be a family business. Trickers shoes have been handmade in Northampton since 1829. The quality of our craftsmanship is integral to what we stand for. And therefore our team is vitally important to us. Working at Trickers is much more than simply making shoes.
To me, the room feels like a little family, you know, the clothing room family.
Working at Trickers involves crafting the perfect example of Northampton shoes. Iconic in the fashion world, developing and investing in specialist heritage skills and inspiring the future of shoemaking. Joining Trickers means becoming a part of a long family history and actively helping to develop this emblematic brand. I honestly never ever thought I would be working in a shoe factory, and I'm very, very grateful for every opportunity that I've had, and I'm just blessed.
Personally, I've been sound. I mean, obviously it's like any factory, good days and bad days, but on a whole, I won't. So I can't fault them. But I wouldn't be here for 15 years otherwise.